Hi, I'm Alistair Resnicki and I'm a professional video director and photographer. In these videos I'm going to be outlining some of the specifications and key benefits of Camera Jungle cameras and lens products, helping you decide which products and cameras are right for you. So we're going to get started with the fantastic Panasonic Lumix GF5. Okay, so imagine until now you've been using your camera phone or your compact camera to get your photos. You're a beginner or an aspiring amateur and you're thinking about taking it to the next step and making your next camera purchase. You want a new setup, but you don't want a big DSLR. However, you do want something that's going to give you the image quality and some of the manual functions that a DSLR can give you, also with the ability to have some interchangeable lenses to create different effects. Well, the Panasonic Lumix GF5 is definitely the camera for you. There are many positives about this camera. It's small and it's lightweight, so it's great for travelling or going to events, especially when you don't want to have lots of heavy kit. You get automatic settings on this camera so you can get started straight away. You also get a lot of the same manual functions you find on a DSLR camera, meaning you can get creative and start to improve your photography from day one. So let's have a look at some of the specs. It has a 12.1 megapixel 4/3 sensor, so it captures lots of detail. It takes the popular micro 4/3 lenses. There is a wide variety of affordable lenses from Panasonic, Olympus and Sigma for the system. It has a 3-inch LCD screen which makes it easy to review your pictures and video. There's 1080p Full HD movie recording for making your home movies. Exceptional quality that will make you feel like Spielberg. It's got a touchscreen interface which will be familiar if you've been taking pictures with your phone, and an easy to use menu system on the screen. There's a built-in flash just here for when you need it to help you. And it has a 12,800 high ISO, which makes it great for low light shooting situations and illuminating people in portrait stills. This in particular is a big improvement over its predecessor, the GF3. This camera will certainly provide fantastic images with its high quality DSLR sensor and its interchangeable lenses. This camera is incredible value for money and it's a vast improvement over any camera phone or compact camera. The interchangeable lens system means that you can add more lenses as your style develops. You can add a wide angle lens for expansive landscape shots, or you can add a telephoto style lens for beautiful portraits or action or sports photography. Although I'm a professional photographer and director, I just find that the DSLR system and some of the lenses I have are just too much kit sometimes when I want to travel on a nice relaxed holiday. The GF5 is a fantastic piece of kit for me to have in my pocket or side bag whilst I'm travelling. It's lightweight, so I hardly notice it there. It's got the auto and manual functionality which gives me lots of creative control, and also I can change the lenses, which means I really can get creative with this camera. The GF5 works really well with lenses such as the 14 to 42mm and the 14mm as you see on the camera here. So, in conclusion, the Panasonic Lumix GF5 really is an ideal camera for those of you looking for an introduction to creative photography. It's a lightweight camera with fantastic image quality. It's also a great alternative to carrying around a heavier DSLR camera, but it maintains a lot of the manual modes and flexibility you'd find with one of those cameras. You really should get yourself one of these cameras now. I think it's a must-have.